My name is Gary Quillen with Total Roofing and Construction. We're out here in Lake Village, Indiana. This is the spot where the tornadoes come through a few months ago. Caused a lot of damage. If you look around the area, you can see just the destruction. I was out here the day after the tornado and it basically looked like a war zone. There was debris everywhere. People were out helping clean up. There were dumpsters everywhere, trees uprooted everywhere. If you look around the property, you'll see a bunch of missing trees, tree stumps. This whole area was covered in trees. The neighbor house was completely blown away. In the back here, these two buildings were completely blown away. They got their building and we're in the middle of recovering their property here to try to get it back to where it was before we started. So what we've done is we did a full roof replacement. One of the trees actually fell on the back corner, so we did a bunch of structural work and repairs on the inside. Because of the tornado and the pressure, it actually separated a lot of the framing supports on the inside, so we fixed all the framing inside the attic. We sucked out all the insulation. We had an insulation vacuum. You can see the bags here. We bag it all up and dispose it, and then we're gonna blow in brand new Owens Corning attic hat insulation. We still have to do all the soffit fascia gutters. You can see all of the windows were blown out. So around the whole house, we're gonna eventually be replacing windows once we get to that point. On the back here, we're gonna be replacing the door here to the garage. This back porch here had a metal roof. We tore that off and did a new EPDM roof, fully adhered. Replaced all the outside siding paneling. There are windows here, we're gonna have new windows, new door. On the inside here, this was all paneling. That's all gonna be replaced. We're gonna replace the soffit here and get everything, back to where it was. They got a couple of fans we're gonna take off, get those cleaned up, and eventually restore this porch area. This back corner here is where the tree fell and actually hit the roof. So this whole corner of the house was actually wide open. The entire roof was tarped, but they had so much water coming in. On the inside, there's a bunch of wet drywall and floor damage. So we got everything all framed out, the roof put on. Once we get the insulation in, we could start replacing the windows and doing some of the interior drywall work, water mitigation stuff to get all the wet insulation out of the walls and eventually replace the flooring as well. So in the brick, there's a couple spots where you could see some cracking. Directly on the other side, it was actually worse. Same exact spot in the center of the house on the other side. We think the house actually flexed, which caused the brick to crack a lot of the face of the bricks and along the mortar joints. So we're gonna be doing some tuck pointing as well to get that all squared away. When we wrap up the soffit and fascia, she currently has a couple can lights. There's 3 of them down there. We're gonna run the electric and install 6 lights in the soffit here, so it's all equal distance apart. Hopefully by the time we get done doing all this, they'll be able to move back into their house and at least be able to feel somewhat at home, how they were before the storm hit. Just an example of the devastation of tornadoes and severe storms. You can see we're out in the open. Not much to protect the house. Kind of got lucky, I think, because of the design of the roof. Their house actually withstood and didn't blow away unfortunately like the neighbors did. Doing the work on a project like this, it's a long process. There's a lot of red tape with dealing with insurance companies and mortgage companies. There's an HVAC company here now, so they don't work for us. We're working together to kind of work around each other's scheduling and just kind of coordinating everything. This whole project from start to finish, between the day I was out here and by the time we finish, it's going to be a couple month project before we can actually wrap everything up and get everything complete.